Good afternoon, Cold Lake High School. It's Wednesday, November 7th, and it's day 1. I'm Sam Kempa.
And I'm Isabel Fransky. We hope you've had a good day so far. Get ready as we check out all your announcements and lunch specials.
There will be no student council meeting today. It has been moved to Thursday in Mr. Collins' room at lunch.
There's a yearbook meeting Friday at lunch in room 1409.
The CLHS Remembrance Day ceremony will take place this Friday. Please remember to bring a donation for the Poppy Fund, as poppies will be handed out in Block 1 on Friday. Also, students are expected to be on their best behavior for this event. It is a chance to show our respect for our armed forces.
Picture retakes will be tomorrow from 1 to 3, and forms will be in the Learning Commons.
Auditions for Coffee House are today at lunch in room 1621. This is a great opportunity to perform and share your talent with an audience.
All Elizabeth Settlement students are invited to lunch with Christine.
Mr. Bars will be having open gym basketball today from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Doors will close at 7:30, so make sure you are there before then. This is open to everyone. You don't have to be on a basketball team to show up.
We have a lost and found. Are you missing something? Check the large bin under the stairs.
Could the following students please see Mr. Johnson in room 2405 today? Delaney Vincent, Sierra Patterson, Jaden McCrae, Blake Lim, and Ethan Sawaski.
JV boys basketball practices are on Friday, November 9th, 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. and Sunday, November 18th, 3 to 5 p.m.
Curlers, don't forget about practice tonight from 4 to 6 at the curling rink. Please see Miss Crawley if you are not able to attend today's practice.
In an effort to funnel all people entering our school past the main office starting Tuesday, November 13th, 2018, we will be locking all of the entrance doors to the school at 9 a.m. These doors will be open at lunchtime for students to return to school if they leave at lunch, and locked again at 1:10 p.m.
Rehearsal at lunch in the theater today for the cast of The Distracted Scholar's Guide to Literature and Drama. See you there.
Your lunch special today is chicken pot pie for $5 and potato bacon soup for $3.
Hey, did you know that it's Isabella's birthday? That's all for your news today, folks. Have an amazing day, CLHS.